Hey, my YouTube family, welcome back to Melda 242. I am Melda, and today I'm doing something that is quick and easy. Curry shrimp with spinach, white rice, and corn. Watch me do it. Okay, the shrimp has already been seasoned. I have the spinach already in. The spinach is a bit frozen, but I'm gonna work it out. The oil is already in the pot. All right, everything is going to be in the description box below, so please check it out. Everything that I'm using. So I'm just going to allow them to fry down somewhat, getting all of the goodness out of this bowl. Okay, so that's going to go for about 3 minutes max. This is curry shrimp, lightly curried. I'm still bringing the restaurant home. Still bringing it home. The corn on the cob is already on. So I'm working it today. All the nice onions and celery, bell pepper, and the spinach is already in the pot. Yes, the stove is on medium. Now I'm adding some carrots, just a few pieces of carrots. That's all I want into this. No potatoes today. Nice carrots will do it. And you don't need to add any water because the spinach, it's already frozen, so that's going to create liquid as well. So that should do it. I don't want too much water in the pot. Just enough. Now I'm just adding a pinch of sugar. Anytime I'm using curry, I like to use a little pinch of sugar just to level off those seasonings that are in the curry. So much of that would give you an upset stomach. That would work some people's stomach. So I always like to use a little bit of sweetener in it. Just a pinch of sugar. So I'm just mixing this up, and then I'm going to allow it to fry down. Get the cover on, increasing the temperature to low. This is shrimp, it doesn't need that much heat, so everything can be on low. Now I'll be starting on the rice, white rice. I have some water, only water in the pot. Rinsing the rice, and I'm gonna put that right in, no salt. Now you can add salt if you want salt in your water. All of the seasonings are going to be in the curry shrimp. And then I'll add a little bit of butter, laid it down. So that's the rice. That's about 1.5 cups. I'm only cooking for 3 persons, so that should be enough. What I show you on my channel is what we're gonna eat right then. It doesn't make sense to cook a whole load of food and there's no one here to eat it. So whatever I cook, that's what we serve the same day. I might do a little extra if my children are coming over and their children. So other than that, it's just the 3 of us. That's the white rice. That's working out. I'm just trying to fluff this up. Turn it over. Mix the butter up in it. And that goes down to low as well. This is white rice. Whenever I'm cooking white rice, I like it to be white. So I like to rinse the starch out of it. Some of the starch out of it, or most of the starch out of it. And whatever else that's in it, shouldn't be in it. So I love to rinse that off. Give myself white rice. There you have it. That's the rice. It's ready. Spinach, curry, shrimp with carrots. Oh my word, this smells wonderful. The corn on the cob, they're ready. That's a serving right there. Look at it. This is going to be lit in here today. Curry shrimp with spinach, carrots, white rice, and corn. Look at it. Still bringing the restaurant home. Thank you very much for watching this video all the way to the end. If you have enjoyed it, please give me a thumbs up, leave a comment, please share it out. Subscribe if you haven't already done so. Be sure to hit the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever something new is being uploaded. God bless you, and I will see you in the next one.